Today, we're heading to Home Depot to buy 20 items that could literally save your life in an emergency. We've done the research. These are the must-haves for power outages, storms, or any crisis. By the end, you'll have a complete, practical shopping list to protect your family. Let's get started. First up, water. It's the single most critical resource for survival, and it's something we often take for granted in our daily lives. But in an emergency, access to clean, safe water can disappear in an instant. Whether it's a natural disaster, a power outage, or a broken water main, you need to be prepared. You can't survive more than a few days without it. Dehydration sets in quickly, and it affects your body and mind faster than you might think. Even mild dehydration can cause headaches, confusion, and fatigue, none of which you want to deal with in a crisis. That's why we're grabbing these 7-gallon aquatainers. They're not just any water containers. They're tough, stackable, and come with a built-in spigot for easy pouring. Their sturdy design means they won't crack or leak, even if you need to move them around or store them for months at a time. With 10 of these, a family of 4 will have over 2 weeks' worth of water for drinking, cooking, and basic sanitation. That's peace of mind you can't put a price on. It's not just about having enough to drink. Water is essential for washing hands, cleaning wounds, and even preparing food safely. Fill them up straight from your tap while you still have access to clean water. It's a simple step that can make all the difference when the unexpected happens. Don't wait until the shelves are empty or the water stops flowing. Prepare now, and you'll thank yourself later. If you only buy one thing to prepare for an emergency, make it a reliable water storage solution like this. Let's load them up and make sure your family is ready for anything that comes your way. Next, let's talk about something we all take for granted: light. Imagine the power goes out unexpectedly. Suddenly, you're plunged into total darkness. It's disorienting, even a little scary. But with the right preparation, you'll never be caught off guard. When the lights go out, your phone's flashlight just won't cut it. You need reliable, purpose-built flashlights and headlamps. These tools are brighter, last longer, and are designed for emergencies. Keep them in easy-to-reach places, by your bed, in the kitchen, and near the front door. We're stocking up on powerful LED flashlights for every room, plus headlamps for hands-free tasks like fixing a fuse or searching for supplies. Don't forget a mountain of batteries, enough to last through any outage. Choose long-lasting, high-quality brands for peace of mind. Here's a pro tip: always store batteries outside your flashlights and headlamps. This simple habit prevents corrosion, which can ruin your gear when you need it most. Keep spare batteries in a cool, dry place, and check them every few months to make sure they're still good. For extra convenience, tape a small bag of fresh batteries directly to each flashlight or headlamp. That way, you'll never have to fumble around in the dark searching for power. It's a simple trick that can make a huge difference during an emergency. Remember, light isn't just about seeing, it's about safety, comfort, and peace of mind. In a blackout, a well-lit home helps everyone feel secure and calm. Flashlights and lanterns can turn a stressful situation into a manageable one. So don't wait for the next outage. Stock up now. You can never have too many lights or batteries. Being prepared means you'll always be ready, no matter what. Let's go get what we need and make sure we're never left in the dark again. When you're preparing for emergencies, there's one item you absolutely can't overlook: a first aid kit. It's not just a box of supplies. It's your lifeline when accidents happen, big or small. Whether you're at home, on the road, or out in the wild, having a first aid kit nearby means you're ready to handle unexpected injuries and keep your loved ones safe. In a crisis, you might not have time to wait for help. You could be the only one there to respond, so being prepared is crucial. Even minor cuts, scrapes, or burns can become serious if not treated quickly. With the right supplies, you can take action immediately and prevent things from getting worse. Make sure your kit is well stocked. Essentials include a variety of bandages for different wounds, antiseptic wipes to clean injuries, and pain relievers for headaches or minor aches. Don't forget adhesive tape, gauze pads, and tweezers for splinters or ticks. These basics can make a huge difference in an emergency. Include a first aid guide or manual. Even if you've taken a class, it's easy to forget steps in a stressful moment. A guidebook can walk you through what to do, from treating burns to performing CPR, giving you confidence when it matters most. Think about extras too. Add a tourniquet for serious bleeding, burn cream for kitchen mishaps, and any prescription medications your family needs. If someone has allergies, include an epinephrine injector. Tailoring your kit to your household's needs ensures you're truly prepared. Remember, this kit isn't just a collection of items, it's peace of mind. Knowing you have the tools to help in an emergency can make all the difference, both for your safety and your confidence. Take a few minutes to customize your kit. Label compartments, check expiration dates, and make sure everything is easy to find. A well-organized kit saves precious seconds when it counts. So as you're gathering your emergency supplies, don't forget the first aid kit. Place it in your cart, and know you're taking a big step toward keeping your family safe and prepared for whatever comes your way. A portable generator is a game changer when the grid goes down. We're picking a 4,000-watt model, enough for your fridge, lights, and phones. Remember, never run it indoors. Carbon monoxide is deadly. Grab fuel cans and a heavy-duty extension cord. It's a big investment, but the comfort and security are worth it. Let's get it. Fire is a real threat. Be ready with ABC-rated fire extinguishers. Get one for the kitchen, garage, and each level of your home. Learn the pass method. Pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. Practice so you're not fumbling in a panic. This small step could save your home and your life. Don't wait until it's too late. After water, you need food that lasts. Home Depot sells emergency food buckets, 30 days of meals, 25-year shelf life. Just add hot water. No stress about rotating stock. Grab enough for your family. It's a simple, effective solution for any crisis. Into the cart. A multi-tool is a must. Pliers, knife, screwdrivers, can opener, all in your pocket. It's endlessly useful for repairs, food prep, and emergencies. Get one for every family member and keep it handy. This is a non-negotiable piece of gear. We're grabbing a few. Duct tape, don't underestimate it. Heavy-duty rolls can patch tents, fix leaks, make splints, or even improvise shoes. Wrap some around your water bottle or flashlight for easy access. It's the ultimate problem solver. Buy a case. You'll use it. Never run out. Heavy-duty contractor garbage bags are essential. Use them for sanitation, rain ponchos, ground sheets, insulation, or waterproofing gear. They're cheap, lightweight, and solve a dozen problems. Buy the biggest box you can. Don't skip these. Into the cart. When the power's out, a solar phone charger or power bank keeps you connected. These charge by sunlight and store enough juice for multiple phone charges. Many have built-in flashlights and multiple USB ports. Staying informed and in touch is crucial. We're grabbing two. You need a way to cook. Grab a propane camp stove. It's simple, reliable, and runs on small propane cylinders. Stock up on fuel and always use it outdoors. Hot meals boost morale and energy. Stove and cylinders, check. Protect your hands with heavy-duty work gloves. They're vital for cleanup, repairs, and handling debris. A hand injury can sideline you fast. Get a few pairs in different sizes for the whole family. Don't neglect this simple protection. Mylar space blankets are tiny but keep you warm by reflecting body heat. Waterproof, windproof, and pocket-sized. Perfect for any kit. Buy a 10-pack and stash them everywhere. In cold emergencies, they're lifesavers. Cheap, effective, essential. If your water runs out, purification tablets are your backup. Drop one in questionable water, wait 30 minutes, and it's safe to drink. Each bottle treats dozens of gallons. Essential for any kit or car. Huge impact, tiny package. Plastic sheeting and tarps are instant shelter and repair tools. Cover a roof, patch a window, or create a dry ground sheet. Pair with duct tape for quick fixes. Get a few sizes to be ready for anything. Simple, low cost, and versatile. Rope and paracord are must-haves for repairs, securing gear, or even rescue. Paracord is lightweight, strong, and multi-purpose. Keep some in your kit, car, and garage. You'll use it more than you think. Stock up. When the internet's down, a hand crank or battery-powered emergency radio keeps you informed. Look for one with NOAA weather alerts and multiple power options. Many double as flashlights and phone chargers. Reliable info is critical in a crisis. This goes in every kit. A basic toolkit lets you handle repairs and shut off utilities. Look for a kit with a hammer, screwdrivers, pliers, wrench, and utility knife. An adjustable wrench is key for water and gas shutoff. Keep it organized and ready. Don't be caught unprepared. Smoke and carbon monoxide detectors are your silent guardians. Get models with 10-year sealed batteries. No more battery changes. Place them in bedrooms, hallways, and every level. Test monthly and replace if expired. Early warning saves lives. Absolute must-haves. Hygiene matters. Grab wet wipes, sanitizer, toothbrushes, and soap. Add a bucket with a toilet seat lid and heavy-duty bags for an emergency toilet. Staying clean prevents illness and keeps morale up. Store it all in a sealed container. Health is non-negotiable. That's it. 20 life-saving items from Home Depot. Remember, preparedness is ongoing. Check your supplies and test your gear regularly. Don't just buy and forget. Maintain your kit. Use this list, build your own, and stay ready. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay safe. See you in the next one.